Hello students, in this class we'll see quadratic equation 10th standard LBA lesson based assessment 2025. We have seen in the previous class marks 1, marks 2, 1 mark question, 2 mark questions and 3 marks also we have seen till 54th question, and in this class we'll start with the 55th one. Okay. A number is 3 more than the other number. If the sum of the squares is 29, find the numbers. It's a very simple question. We'll see let other number be x. A number is 3 more than the other means therefore A number is, we will call it as a first number. Okay. Therefore A number be x plus 3, or we can keep it as this. According to given, sum of their squares means x square plus x plus 3 whole square, that becomes 29. Open the bracket, simplify and get the value of x, that is x square. X plus 3 whole square is a plus b whole square, that is x square plus 2ab means 6x plus b square is 9. When you add the x square it will be 2x square plus 6x as is. 25 if it comes to left side it will be minus 29. 29 and 9 when they are subtracted it will be 20. So to take common, x square plus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. So for this one, the equation becomes x square plus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. What are the roots for factors for minus 10? 5 2s are, and plus 3 we want. So you put plus for 5 and minus for 2. So this becomes x square plus 5x minus 2x minus 10 is 0. Take common, it will become x plus 5 minus 2 of x plus 5. X plus 5 in the bracket is common, so remaining you write as it is. Equate each to 0, you get the value of x, this is minus 5, and x minus 2 is 0 means x equal to 2. Therefore, other number means in the statement if you see it's a second number, a number is a first number. Therefore, we'll conclude other number is equal to x, that is 2. Therefore, a number means first number. First number is equal to x plus 3, right? 2 plus 3, that is 5. You may call it as a number as first number, other number as second number, whatever. And these are the values. Simple question. We'll move ahead. 55th is done. 56th. We have seen this kind of question. The base of a triangle is 4 centimeter more than twice its height. See, if the area of the triangle is 48 centimeter square, find the length of the base and height of the triangle. Means in the triangle if you say ABC, you draw one height here. Let's check that. What is given? Base of the triangle is 4 more than twice its height. Height we don't know, we call it as x. Therefore BC becomes how much? BC is the base, it becomes 4 more than the twice the height. Means like this. This is the value. Since it's in centimeter, so we write centimeter. You can solve it easily. The area is also given. See, area is 48 centimeter square. Height AD is x centimeter. Let you write. And base BD is equal to 2x plus 4 centimeter. Therefore, area of a triangle is given and you apply the formula. Area of triangle is half into base into height. Area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. You substitute the values. Half into base is what? 2x plus 4. Height is x. So open the bracket with x and 2 here. Area of triangle is given as how much? 48. So 48 into 2, 96. X into 2x is 2x square plus 4 into x is 4x. I'll take 96 to the right side. It will become 2x square plus 4x minus 96 is 0. 2 if I common take it, 2 4 ja, 2 8 ja equal to 0. The equation becomes 48. Minus 48, what are the factors? I'll give the factors and you find it. 6 8 ja, 8 6 ja 48 or 6 8 ja 48, both are same. So plus 2 we want and minus 48 we want. Just check out when you product them, you're getting minus 48. When you add them, you get plus 2. So you split it and find it. What finally answer comes is, I'll write it. These parts you fill and take the common and solve the quadratic equation by factorization method. The final answer for x will be minus 8 and plus 6. Minus 8 and x equal to plus 6. Since x is the height, means length cannot be negative, right? So we write that and we choose x as 6 centimeter. Therefore, since length cannot be negative, we take x equal to 6 centimeter. Therefore, what they want is height and base, right? Therefore, height is equal to 6 centimeter. Base is equal to 2x plus 4. That is 2 into 6 plus 4, 12 plus 4, 16 centimeter. Height is 6 centimeter, base is 16 centimeter. Done? Solving the quadratic equation, I have not done. Please do it yourself. We'll move on to the next question, 57th. The area and perimeter of a rectangular field or 60 meter square. Okay, before that there is one more, 57. Some students planned a picnic. The budget for the food was 900 rupees. For a picnic, the budget planned was 900 rupees. And what is given? 10 of them failed to join the picnic. Means when it was planned, everybody said yes. When the execution came, 10 students failed to join the picnic. Then cost for each of the student will definitely increase, right? How much it get increased to 15 rupees. Find how many students went for the picnic. So since we don't know the number of students, we say let number of students be x. When number of student is x and budget is how much? Picnic budget. We'll say picnic budget is rupees 900. When number of students were x, picnic budget was 900. What is the cost per student? Cost per student is 900 by x, right? Rupees. If 10 failed to join means number of students become, if 10 students fail to join, number of students is x minus 10, right? Number of students is failed to join, number of students. Then cost per student now is, therefore, cost per student is equal to 900 by x minus 10. Understood? Now check out 15 rupees is increased, right? So according to given, very important question it is, 15 rupees increased per student means you have to check where you have to give that 15 rupees. Means when what was the cost of the student cost per student when all students are ready for picnic, it was 900 by x. 15 rupees increase when number of students is 10 less, right? That is 900 by x minus 10 should give, means number of students when they became less, cost increased. So you have to add that to 900 by x minus 10. Okay. Or you can say, in other words, it is 900 less 15 rupees, right? Sorry. So it becomes like this. What I'll say. So 900 by X were original mean cost per student. When this 900 by X, 15 rupees more they have to pay means what I should say to 900, the cost for each member is increased by 15. Okay. That means for this original students for this one 15 rupees is increased. Plus 15 is equal to 900 by X minus 10. You take X terms one side 900 by X minus 900 by X minus 10. Okay. Okay. Minus 15, right? My mistake. It is minus 15. Or else what we can do is in other words you can solve easily by when 900 by X minus 10, this difference is increased means latter minus before the before this. So this is the answer. This will be increased 15 rupees. So this 15 rupees increased means 900 by X plus 15 actually. That's what I wrote, I guess. 900 by X plus 15 is 900 by X minus 10. So either way, otherwise you can write like this also. Now you take LCM and solve it. I hope you know this solving, taking LCM and all. If you don't know, please visit my page, quadratic equation chapter I solved, including algebraic terms. So on solving this, how much you get is X, you get as 30 and minus 20. Since number of students cannot be negative, therefore we take 30. What they asked is just check out how many students went for picnic, means this X is number of students. Therefore, number of students went for picnic is 30 minus 10, right? 10 failed to join. So 20 students. Okay. This is the answer. How did you arrive at this question is very important. This equation is very important. You have to read many times. Basically, you can write this as 900 by X plus 15 equal to, this is what I wrote earlier. 10 rupees increased, right? Sorry, how much increased? 15 rupees. This also comes either way. Okay. We'll move to the next question. 58. Every question is important question here because every question you have to think through and construct the equation. Till that point, I will answer, and the rest of the question you can calculate. I mean, solving the equation. This is easy. 50th. The area and perimeter of a rectangular field is 60 meter square, and so there's given area 60 meter square, perimeter is 32 meter. Therefore, area is equal to, what is the field? It is rectangular. Area is L into B. that is 60 is equal to L into B. So L I can say 60 by B. This also we can be made. And perimeter is 2 of L plus B equal to 32. 2 1 ja 2 16. Just simplify here itself so that we avoid larger number calculation going forward. 16. So from 1 what L becomes is 60 by B plus B equal to 16. Say from 1 you take LCM and construct a quadratic equation. How much it becomes? 60 plus B square is equal to 16B, because once transposing B to the right side, this will be the equation. Take the 16B to the left side, it becomes B square minus 16B plus 60 equal to 0. So for the 60, factors becomes 10 6 is 60, and both minus means it will product will be plus 60 and addition minus 16 will come. Therefore on solving, B we get 10 and B 6. So for both you have to define the length and breadth. Okay. Therefore if B equal to 10, from 1 length equal to 60 by 10, that is 6. What is the unit? Meter. If B equal to 6 meter, length equal to 60 by 6, 10 meter. Therefore length is equal to 6 meter, breadth is equal to 10 meter, or length is equal to 10 meter, B equal to 6 meter. Both set will apply here. Okay. Simple question. We'll move to the next question. 59. This is very important question. Please pay attention. This is very, very, very important question. 59th. A train travels 480 km at a uniform speed. Speed of the train is 480 km. Oh, distance is 480 km. My mistake. Distance is 480 km. We write that. Then if the speed had been 10 km more per hour more, it would have taken 4 hours less for the journey. Find the speed of the train. Means when a train travels at some speed, it takes some time to reach the destination, 480 km afterwards. If the speed of the train is increased by 10 km more, means 10 km per hour more, definitely when the speed is increased, time taken will be less. How much it is? 4 hours less. Find the speed of the train. So we'll say let the speed of the train be x. Let speed of train is equal to x kilometer per hour. X kilometer per hour. Then what is the time? See, we know distance is equal to d equal to st, means speed into time. We know that, right? So we know that, just write it. Distance is equal to speed into time. Here time is what then? Distance by speed. Now if speed, time taken, see speed is x, means what is the time? That is speed 480 kilometer by x. This is time hour. If it takes, if more than 10 kilometer means, then time is 480 by x plus 10. 480 by x plus 10. Now you check out. These two times is having 4 hours less. Check out where is that. If speed had been more than 10 km per hour more, then the time taken by the train is 4 hours less. This 4 hours less way to write is, either we write what was the original time? 480 by x. 480 by x minus 4. 480 by x minus 4 is 480 by x plus 10. Remember, this is very important. There was some speed of the train which is x. That time will be okay, or you can say 480 by x and minus 480. The same thing will come. See, just check out 480 by x minus 480 by x plus 10 will be 4. Okay, this is very important. It would have taken 4 hours less, means if x was the speed and x plus 10 was the speed, 4 hours less. I mean, that's why we put minus here. Okay. So once you solve this, how do you solve? You have to take LCM and all. I hope you know that. So once you solve, what we get is minus 40 and x equal to 30. You have to solve yourself. Okay, let me bring into quadratic equation level, means I can do that. I don't mind doing that. X of x plus 10 is LCM. Therefore, 480 of x plus 10 minus 480x will come. 480 of x plus 10 minus 480x equal to 4. So 480x plus 4800 minus 480x by x square plus 10x is equal to 4. These two cancels. So 4800 is equal to 4x square plus 10 into 4, 40. So if I take everything to one side, it will become like this. So once you open the, take the common thing, 4 1 is 4 2 is equal to 0. The equation becomes x square plus x 120 equal to 0. So on solving, you get minus 40 and 30. Since speed cannot be negative, therefore we say take x equal to 30, since speed cannot be negative. Okay. Therefore, we say what is the required part here? Find the 59th speed of the train. So just to say, conclude speed of the train is 30 km per hour. Can we conclude that? So therefore, speed of train is equal to 30 km per hour. Okay, this is very important. Constructing this formula, right? 480 by x minus 480 by x plus 10 is equal to 4 is very important part. We'll move to the next question. 60th. The area and perimeter are given, so we can solve this because it looks like same as 60th. We'll move on. Okay. To save the fuel, 61st, that is also same as train problem. See, to save the fuel, to avoid air pollution and go for good health, two persons A and B ride bicycle for a distance of 12 km to reach their office. Okay. Then, as the cycling speed of the B is 2 km per hour more than that of A, right? It is same as train problem. B obviously will take less time to reach the office, right? How much it is? 30 minutes less than the A. Find the time taken by A and B to reach the office. So what you can say is, since we don't know the speed of the cycle, right? So we say let cycling speed of A be x kilometer per hour. Therefore, speed of B, how much it becomes? It is 2 kilometer more, right? So x plus 2. Sorry, B is x plus 2 kilometer per hour. Then time is how much? Same way, time taken by train we solve, right? Time taken by A is distance by speed. Sorry, distance is 12 by speed is x hour. Similarly, time by B is 12 by x plus 2 hour, right? Then you check out according to given, the difference between the speed, times is how much time they are given? 30 minutes less. Make sure everything is given in hour. 30 minutes you convert to hour, it will become half hour, right? According to given, 12 by x minus 12 by x plus 2 equal to half. Because we say 30 minutes is equal to half hour. Solve this. Once you solve, how much you get is x is minus 8 and x is 6. Since speed cannot be negative, we know therefore x is equal to 6 kilometer per hour. We conclude speed, time taken by, first let's find the speed. Speed of A is how much? 6 kilometer per hour. Speed of B is 6 plus 2 is 8 kilometer per hour. Now time is how much? Time taken by A is distance by speed, right? Means distance is how much? 12 kilometer. 12 by 6 is 2 hour. 12 by 6, 2 hour. Similarly, by B is 12 by 8. 12 by 8. What they asked A and B to reach the office, right? 12 by 8. How much it becomes? 4 2 ja, 4 3 ja. 3 by 2 hour. 3 by 2 means 1 by 2 hour, right? That is 1 hour 30 minutes. Or you can say 1.5 hour, whatever it is, you can say. So always observe this forming is very important. This was same like as drain problem, okay? So we'll move to the next question. I think we have few more, or okay, we have few more. Okay, 62. Let's see, 62. It is based on the formula like profit, loss, gain, and all. Let's see. Simple one only. A dealer sells an article for 24 rupees, gains as much as percent as CP. Means gain percent is nothing but CP value. So what is given? Find the cost of the CP we have to find. Simple. SP is equal to rupees 24. Gain percent is equal to CP. Right? Gain percent is CP. I'll say gain percent. That's what it's given, right? And find the CP. So since we don't know the CP, we'll say let CP be rupees X. Therefore, we know gain percent is gain by CP into 100. Gain or loss percent, we always calculate based on the CP. Remember that. This had been taught in the 8th standard comparing quantities chapter. What is gain? What is gain means when there is a gain, SP is more always. So SP minus CP by CP into 100. What is SP? 24. Gain percent is same as CP, right? So it will become X. CP is X by X into 100. Observe this. Gain percent is gain by CP into 100. Gain is again CP minus SP by SP. Cross multiply. X into X is X square. 24 minus X into 100. You have to multiply 100 to both. 24 and minus X. So 2400 minus 100X. We take these to the left hand side. It will become X square plus 100X minus 2400. So on solving, what we get is, remember, it is minus 120 and X equal to 20. Therefore, we take money cannot be negative. We take 20. Therefore, CP is how much? Rupees 20. This formula is very important. Next question is loss. They said same way we say, but it will be different. Like gain is SP minus CP. When there is a loss, it will be CP minus SP. Okay. Let's take the 63rd one. We're almost completing the 3 marks question. Every question I solved. Okay. Let's SP again given is rupees 24. Loss percent. Loss as much as percent as CP. So loss percent is equal to CP. Okay. Then find the CP. CP is question mark. We'll say let CP is X. Let CP is equal to rupees X. So loss percent equal to loss by CP into 100. Loss is loss percent means it's same as CP. So we write X. Loss is how much? It is CP minus SP. When we incur a loss, it will be CP. Cost price more. That's why we incur loss. So CP is what? CP minus SP by X into 100. So X into X square. CP minus SP how much becomes? X minus 24 into 100. So X square is equal to 100X minus 2400. When we take left side, minus 100X plus 2400 is 0. So on solving this, I'm not solving, we get X equal to 60 and 40. Therefore, what is been asked here? Cost price. Cost price is equal to rupees 60 or rupees 40. Both can be there. Okay. Or rupees 40. Remember, the formulas very important. They are just refreshing us the formulas. We'll see the next question. 64 kind of application problem. Very important. 64 and 65 are very important. Tough problems. That's why they said difficult here also. Let's see. If the equation it's based on the discriminant, right? Nature of root, equal root they have given, right? So first prove that something we have to prove. Okay, first take the equation 1 plus m square of x square plus 2mcx plus c square minus a square is 0. Means if you compare this with ax square plus bx plus c, what a will be 1 plus m square, b will be 2mc, c will be c square minus a square. Remember, there are two terms in c. Now, since they have equal roots, right? So we know equal roots means discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac equal to 0. When the roots are equal, discriminant will be 0. Can we substitute these things? And we have to substitute ABC there. Arrange according to the to prove part. Let's see. B square is what? 1 plus m square whole square minus 4 into AC. Oh, sorry. I wrote okay. B square is 2mc whole square minus 4 into 1 plus m square into c square minus a square. So when you open this bracket, 4m square c square minus 4 of, I'll multiply here only. 1 into this is c square minus a square plus m square c square minus m square a square. Open with my minus 4, what becomes is 4m square c square minus 4c square plus 4a square minus 4m square c square plus 4m square a square. So just observe these two gets cancelled. It will become 4a square minus 4c square plus 4m square c square. Okay. So c square they want left side. I will put c square left side. A square plus a square m square. Where is a square m square? We did not get the term. A square m square. Oh, we missed it. It's not c square. It's not missed. I wrote wrongly. See, m square is there and a square is there. M square c square term is cancelled. So very simple. I'll take left side 4c square. That is 4c square is equal to 4a square plus 4m square a square. Take common. That is 4c square is as is. 4 a square if I take, it will become 1 plus m square. 4 cancels. C square is equal to a square of 1 plus m square. Okay. Hence, remember, based on the discriminant value, when the discriminant has equal roots, these two proof statements can be asked anything. Only thing is you have to arrange according to the two proof part. Okay. We'll see the next question, 65th, and we'll wind up for the third 3 marks questions. It's also same one. Let's see. B minus C x square plus C minus A x plus A minus B equal to 0. Roots are again equal. Prove that 2b equal to a plus b. Let's see. What is a here? Don't get confused with ABC, what we use from ax square plus bx plus c and ABC given here. Okay. A equal to b minus c, b equal to c minus a, c equal to a minus b. Okay. Then we know discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac equal to 0 since roots are equal. What is b square? C minus a whole square minus 4 into a into b equal to 0. Similarly, you open the bracket a minus b whole square, that becomes a square minus 2ab plus b square minus 4 of, open this binomial multiplication, b into a is ba minus b square minus ca minus into minus plus bc equal to 0. That is c square minus 2ac plus a square minus 4ab minus into minus plus 4b square minus into minus plus 4ca minus 4bc equal to 0. If you arrange this, how it will become is, I'll take the squares first. Okay. How do I take it? Let's see. So first I'll take ABC. You arrange in the ABC format. That is, what is a here? A square only. A square plus 4b square plus c square. Then AB term is where? Minus 4ab minus 4ab. BC is minus 4bc plus 4ca equal to 0. If you observe this, it's in the form of a plus b whole square form. I will arrange, just check out. A square plus 2b whole square. Since we have 2 minus here, which one to put minus is, for b you have to put minus, so that square will not affect that. This we have learned in the 9th standard. Minus 2b whole square plus c square. Once you form this, because since we have minus here, you have to put the minus, which is common term here. Then don't look at these three terms. You look at these three and construct 2ab, 2bc, 2ca. Means a plus b plus c whole square is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2ab plus 2 of a of minus 2b. Then we'll see whether we get the same terms or not. Plus 2bc plus 2b and c plus 2ca equal to 0. Check out. Plus into minus minus 2 into 2 4ab minus 4ab, right? Correct. Then plus into minus minus 2 into 2 4 into bc 4bc minus 4bc. Ca is what? 2ca. Why 4ca is there for us? My mistake. It is okay. Just check out this 2a 2ca plus 2ca is there. I missed that part. Okay. See, minus 2ac plus 4ca is plus 2ca. Now it is in the form of a plus b whole a plus b plus c whole square, means a plus b plus c whole square is 0. When square is 0, forward the square to the right hand side, it will be square root of 0, that will be 0 only. Therefore, a plus minus 2b plus c equal to 0. When you open the bracket, it will be minus 2b plus c equal to 0. Just check out what is required here. 2b equal to a plus c. Then you just transpose 2b to the right hand side. It will be a plus c equal to 2b. Therefore, 2b equal to a plus c. Hence, root. Simple question. Only thing is you have to identify the identities here. These last two questions are very, very, very important. Okay. Thank you.